Hey people, just now as I'm sitting down to record this, the time is 1:11. That means 1:11 in the afternoon, and those of y'all who would know, this is an angel number, numbers that repeat. Like 111, 222, 222 in the afternoon, and in fact, yesterday was supposed to be a very unique date because it was 20th 10th 2020. So that was interesting, right? So really people, that's what these days, there's a lot of spiritual books that I'm reading, and yesterday this book arrived. It's called Happiness Unlimited by BK Shivani, sister BK Shivani. So this is basically the on YouTube itself that you could watch all of her sister BK Shivani with Suresh Oberoi, the actor. Like it's a whole session, right, on things. So this is the book version of it, more or less. So really, I mean, Happiness Unlimited. It's just about the fact that we think happiness is something that it's a decision. That's the main crux of the whole of this more than 200, 250, yeah, 170 page book. So really, so I'll make somewhat a longer review. See, I have a pen with it because each time I read, I like to take down notes also, like literally. So this video is already 1 minute 30 seconds, but truly, people, I'm already thinking of different ways to make my videos interesting because I'm beginning to sound like some Brahmakumari myself. But really, it's important to reintroduce the joys of reading to people. Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.